The World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated every year on July 28th around the world. The day conveyed us that a healthy environment is the foundation of a healthy society, which means it ensures the well-being of the present and future generations. The main aim is come together to protect nature and not to exploit it. Yes, life would not be imaginable without air, sunlight, water, etc. because the nature is providing everything that we need to live. We can protect our nature by various methods. Planting trees and vegetables, limited use of electricity and water, use eco-friendly utensils instead of plastics, recycling waste and stop animal poaching. Not only on this day, but also in every day, let us make conscious effort in conserving nature. Nature don't want us, but we want nature to live alive. Let us remember the encouraging words of Mahatma Gandhi. The earth provides enough for man's need, not man's greed.
Hey friends, I am Blessed.
I am Lesnaria.
We are studying in St. Mary's English Medium School.
Seruvanthedi.
We have a small garden in our veranda.
It's beautiful, na?
We have made a hanging fort using plastic and wooden sticks.
Wow. This is potato plant. Yeah, ready?
We can make a wonderful nature of the world.
Boy, boy, oh yeah, Hagrekesh lubi more. Boy, boy, oh yeah, Hagrekesh lubi more. Igor knows that he are to carta. Hagrekesh lubi more. Igor knows that he are to carta. Hagrekesh lubi more.
Very warm good morning to all. I am Anoldu Shijo from 5th year. Today I will show how to make Kokadavo statue. For this we want some soil, cow dung and cocoa fiber. These three we want to mix. After mixing, add some water. Making a oval shape, we can fix the plant. We can tie a ribbon for a string. Then wrap a type of mosses. Now the Kokadavo statue